welcome to SPOTO's IT Demo webinar today. I'm today's host Jack, your IT supporter. 2025 will be an incredible year. We are excited to end it on a high note with all of you. So whether you are here to explore new IT certification opportunities, gain insight into the latest industry trends, or just simply want to enhance your skills, you've come to the right place. Today's section is gonna be informative and packed with useful content. As per the demos and interview discussion, we had the demo quiz bar to help you better understand and familiar with the real exam and how you pass exam. Welcome on board, everyone. If you are already joining our live stream today, you can say hi or send some emoji in the comment section to let me know you are here. When I know that, give me your feedback so I know everyone is on board so I can move on. First thing first, join our study group. Join our group. The link is already in the comment section. In the group, you can get valuable study materials for your target exam. You can be the first to know about our live stream and get the best discount offer. And also, you can connect with a community that we can grow together. And also, give me a thumbs up and subscribe our YouTube channel since we have live stream every week. Hello everyone, welcome new friends, welcome on board. Please join our group. The link is already in the comment section. First thing first, join our group. So in case that you don't have time to finish the session today, also want to conduct your target exam, you can join the group and ping admin. It's more effective and save your time. So without further ado, ready to learn more about CompTIA, AWS, SE, and Microsoft? Let's dive into the exciting world of IT certification and career advancement. Let's get started and make your IT exam journey a little easier in 2025. We are SPOTO. We've been focusing on providing exam service for more than 22 years. So if you want to pass any exam, we are the best choice. As I said earlier, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel since we have live stream every week, and give me a thumbs up. I'd be much appreciated. Moving on. In today's live stream, we focus on the field of cloud and cybersecurity. At the beginning of 2025, let me introduce you what IT certification is most in demand this year. So just follow me today and make your IT exam preparation become easier. And what's more, we have huge discount offer in today's live stream for audience exclusively. So become an early bird to save big. Stay tuned and you will know. In this lecture, I will walk you through top 4 of the hottest IT certification in 2025. They are CompTIA Security Plus, SE, AWS, and Microsoft. So they will also boost your IT career in 2025. Follow me, we will do some practice tests together. This is a very good chance for you to better know about exam and pass it on first try. And before I dive into today's lecture, I'm just curious which exam you want to pass in 2025. Comment to let me know. You can type your target exam in the comment section. Would it be AWS, SE, CompTIA Security? Let me know your target exam. First thing first, let's look at CompTIA Network Plus certification. CompTIA Security Plus is an entry-level security certification that validates the core skills needed in any cybersecurity role. And now we have updated to SYO-1. With this certification, it demonstrates your ability to assess the security of an organization, monitor and secure cloud, mobile, and Internet of Things environment, understand laws and regulations related to risk and compliance, and identify and respond to security incidents. Earning your Security Plus certification can grow as an admin here. You can just have general job positions, also IT, software developer, etc. So they are very above average. Moving on, let's do a practice test together. So this test is for assessing knowledge and skill. I will give you guys 30 seconds for each question at most, your thinking time, and then I will review the correct answer and explanation after the timer ends, timer rings. So, and please pay attention. Learners who answer questions correctly, he will get an extra bonus. So let's go deep into it and let's see who is the winner. Question 1. A technician wants to improve the situational and environmental awareness of existing users as they transition from remote to in-office work. The following is the option. 4 options here. When the vision ends, please type the answer out so I can review the answer and explanation. Audience, welcome. How will you join us? Join Alright, so let us read the correct answer for question 1. Question 1. Correct answer should be C. Modify the content of recurrent training. C is the correct answer. Explanation here. Modify the content of recurrent training to include specific topics relevant to the transition from remote to in-office work will ensure that users are aware of the protocols and potential threats faced in the office environment. Approach provides a structure and a comprehensive way to adjust the unique aspects of both environments and helps reinforce best practices. So C is the correct answer. Question 2. A newly appointed board member with cyber knowledge wants the board of directors to receive a quarterly report detailing the number of incidents that impacted organization. The assistance auditor is creating a way to prevent the data to the board of directors, which following assistance administrator use. So 4 options here. Please type the answer out when the vision ends, and then I will review the correct answer. Alright, times. Let's review the correct answer for question 2. Question 2, correct answer should be drummer, here you go. It should be dashboard. Dashboard offer clear and intuitive way to present complex data, making it easier for members to grasp the overall security posture and the trend over time. Customizable information. Dashboard can be tailored to highlight specific metrics relevant, such as number of incidents, types of threats, and trends in security incidents, providing actionable insights. So dashboards present both real-time data and historical trends, allowing the board to see how the organization is performing over the quarter. So here's question 2. Moving on, let's look at question 3. A system administrator received the following from the file monitoring tool. Of the CMD file has changed. The system administrator checks the OS logs and notices that no patches were applied in the last 2 months. Which of the following most likely occurs? So here, please type out answer out when you finish. Oops, please ignore it. And when the vision ends, I will review the correct answer for you guys. Alright, so let's read the answer for question 3. Question 3. Correct answer should be D. A rootkit was deployed. So here, very detailed explanation. A change in the hash of a critical system file like cmd.exe without any corresponding patches or updates being applied is a strong indicator of potential malicious activity. A rootkit is a kind of malware that can modify system files and hide its presence to maintain persistent and privileged access to a system. If a rootkit has altered cmd.exe, it could be an attempt to replace legitimate command prompt with malicious version, or to modify its behavior for nefarious purposes. So this is a serious security concern and should be investigated immediately. Option D is the correct answer. Move on, question 4. A client asks a security company to provide a document outlining the project, the cost, and the completion timeframe. Which of the following documents should the company provide to the client? 4 options here. Please type your answer out when time's up. Alright, time's up. Question 4, correct answer should be D, SOW. SOW, on the other hand, focuses on the actual or tasks of the project, such as deliverables, scope, and timelines. The question specifically asks for details about the project itself, cost, and time, which are covered in the SOW. Move on, question 5. A security team is reviewing the findings in a report that was delivered after a third party performed a penetration test. One of the findings indicated that a web application form field is vulnerable to bad script. Which of the following application security techniques should the security analysis recommend the developer implement to prevent this vulnerability? 4 options here. Please type your answer out when you're finished. Alright, time's up. Question 5, correct answer should be C, input validation. Cross-site scripting can be mitigated with proper input validation, so C is chosen. Move on, let's look at the first offer that first due today for the CompTIA Security Plus Stamp. So for the CompTIA Security Plus Stamp, original price $300. If you order now, you can save big and only need 170, so you can save $130 if you order now. So guys, if you want to pass the SYO-01 exam, you want to get the valid and latest stamp to study and take the exam by yourself, don't miss this chance to save big. How would you join the group and ping admin to get more details about the dump and the current best discount offer? How to order, very simple. So first thing first, here's to show you how to order on our website, but usually simply put, we support pay by PayPal. We also support pay by credit card, debit card, MasterCard, or Visa card. So here is show you how to order on our website, but usually the preferred way and easier way is to pay on PayPal. We send you the PayPal invoice and you can just choose to pay by card or pay by PayPal on PayPal invoice. And moving on, let's look at the second certification, that is PCNSE. The PCNSE certification recognizes individuals with in-depth knowledge and abilities to design, install, configure, maintain, and troubleshoot the vast majority of implementation based on the Palo Alto network platform. So check the salary here for the PCNSE, you can have a general idea. Yeah. Anyone want to pass the PCNSE exam? Please comment to let me know. You can just type this PCNSE in the comment section to let me know. Yeah, PCNSE. Right, moving on, we still provide task part for the PCNSE exam. Still 5 questions. So 30 seconds for each question. At most, when you finish, please type your answer out. Ensure so I can know that you finished, I can move on. And due to time limit, I may speed up the process a little bit. So if you could answer the questions much faster, you'll be much better. breaks them. In that case, you can have more flexible time for you to check and ensure you made the right choice. So question 1. Which CLI command can be used to export a TCP capture? So for options here, I'll give you around 20 seconds for this question and I will announce the correct one. Alright, time's up. Let's look at the correct answer for question 1. It should be C. Congratulations for getting it right. I can see that some of you do get it right. You are doing a great job. But don't get upset if you didn't get it right. The more important is you understand why C is chosen. Ensure you don't make the same mistake next time. Move on, question 2. An administrator has configured the Private Active Networks and GFW management interface to connect to the internet through a dedicated path that does not traverse respective application signature updates. For options here, please type your answer out when you finish. Alright, 5 seconds thinking time still. Please type your answer out if you have already done it. Alright, let's review the correct answer. Question 2. Correct answer should be A. A scheduler will need to configure all 4 application signatures. You don't need to configure a service route for management interfaces by default, but you need to create a scheduler for automatic updates. Move on, question 3. Which CLI command enables an administrator to view details about a firewall, including uptime, PAN-OS version, and the serial number? For options, please type your answer out when you finish. Alright, time's up. Question 3, correct answer should be C. Show system info. Here's a link for explanation. If you want to get the details about the question 3 explanation, join the group and ping admin to get the explanation link. Move on, question 4. During the packet flow process, which 2 processes are performed in application identification? So in this option, you're required to choose 2 answers, 2 correct answers. Alright, time's up. Question 4. Let's review the correct answer. Question 4, correct answer should be A and B. First and second step during application identification, application override policy match, pattern-based application identification for 2 options. Question 5. Which tool provides an administrator the ability to see trends in traffic over periods of time, such as threats detected in the last 30 years? 4 options here. Please type your answer out when you finish. Alright, time's up. Question 5. Correct answer should be B. Application Command Center. And read detailed explanation here. Let's read together. The Application Command Center page visually depicts trend and historic view of traffic on your network. It displays the overall risk level for all network traffic, the risk levels and numbers of threats detected for the most active and highest risk applications on your network, and the number of threats detected for the busiest application categories and from all applications at each risk level. The ACC can be viewed for the past hours, day, week, months, or any constant defined time frame. So this is the question 5. Move on. So here are the 5 questions for the PCNSE exam. As I said earlier, if you have answered all the 5 questions correctly, please join the group and ping admin to get the bonus prepared for the winner. Yeah, thank you for your time. Move on, let's look at the deal for the PCNSE dump. For the PCNSE dump, we guarantee 100% valid and latest as same as any other dump we provide. So the standard price is $100. If you order now, only need 130, so you can save 170. This is a massive discount. So if you want to pass the PCNSE exam, want to get a dump to study and nail the exam on first time, have the journal group and ping at me. Hurry up! Moving on, here are reasons why you should choose SPOTO. So first thing first, we only provide 100% exam service, and for the dump, we only provide 100% valid and latest dump. We can help you pass the exam with the minimum time input, usually 8 days studies for the dump, and for the 100% pass policy service, it will be much faster. And the third point is we provide comprehensive and professional customer support, and from the feedback of our 22 years experience, we are pro and we are confident that our service will also satisfy you. How to order, let me show you again, very simple. Just need to here show you how to register on our website. Or you can just pay by PayPal, it's faster and easy. If you want to choose pay by website, you can follow the steps here. You need to just click our website link we send you, and then type in the registered as SPOTO, including type your email and type in the verification code, and then you're ready to register. And then go back to the special discount offer link we send you and click buy now. You will get the jump to the page 3 here. You can choose pay by PayPal or pay by credit card, debit card, MasterCard, and any way that is convenient for you. So here's the 5 simple steps to get certified with SPOTO. Select certification, pay the fee, order our exam service, connect with us, schedule exam, and then pass exam. Move on, let's look at the number 3 certification worth investing in 2025. That is AWS. So first thing, look at the AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate, also called as the SAA-CO3. This credential helps organizations identify and develop talent with critical skills for implementing cloud initiatives. Earning AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate validates the ability to design and implement distributed systems on AWS. And again, it's test time. Let's do a test together for the AWS SAA-CO3. Question 1. A solution architect is designing a two-tier web application. The application consists of a public-facing web tier hosted on Amazon EC2 in public subnets. The database tier consists of Microsoft SQL Server running on Amazon EC2 in a private subnet. Security is a high priority for the company. How should security groups be configured in this situation? So you need to choose 2 options for this question 1. When you finish, please type answer out. Alright, time's up. Question 1, currency should be A and C, 2 options. And our data explanation here, give you some time to read explanation, then we move on. Some new friends just clicking in and say, okay, how to join our group for mixing the previous part. You can join the group and ping admin to get the details about the info you want to ask directly. Question 2, a company receives a 10 TB of instrumentation data each day from several machines located at a single factory. The data consists of JSON files stored on a storage area network in an on-premises data center located within the factory. The company wants to send this data to Amazon S3, where they can be accessed by several additional systems that provide critical near real-time analytics. A secure transfer is important because the data is considered sensitive. Which solution offers the most reliable data transfer? For options here, please type yours out when you finish. Alright, time's up. Question 2, correct answer should be B, AWS Data Sync over AWS Direct Connect. Very detailed explanation. I will give you guys 15 seconds to read the explanation here. If you have any questions, you can type in the comment section, okay? And by the way, throughout the whole process, the floor is open. So if you have any idea, any questions, you can always type in the comment section. I would like to hear from you. So give you guys some time to read the explanation. Alright, guys, you guys finished reading. Move on, question 3. A company needs to keep user transaction data in an Amazon DynamoDB table. The company must retain the data for 7 years. What is the most operationally efficient solution that meets this requirement? So for options here, please type your answer out when you finish. Alright, time's up. Have you guys finished it? Yeah, type your answers when you finish. I want to see more feedback answers from you. So question 3, let's announce the answer. It should be B, use AWS Backup to create backup schedules and retention policies for the table. And explanation here, you can take some time to read. It's a very long explanation and also very detailed. I guess after reading the explanation, you can understand why B is chosen. Alright, move on, question 4. A company's dynamic website is hosted using on-premises servers in the United States. The company is launching its product in Europe and it wants to optimize site loading times for new European users. The site's backend must retain in the United States. The product is being launched in a few days and an immediate solution is needed. So what should the solution architect recommend? 4 options here. Please type your answer out when you guys finish. Alright, time's up. Move on. Review the answer of question 4. It should be C. Use Amazon CloudFront with a constant origin pointing to the on-premises server. So this solution leverages the global network of CloudFront edge locations to cache and serve the website's static content from the edge locations closest to the European user. So here's the correct answer. Last question for the AA-CO3 exam. It's a little longer contest. I will leave you guys to read by yourself. And when you finish, please type your answer and let me know. You must be familiar with such long question contest since they will be shown up during the real exam also. Alright, time's up. Let's review the correct answer for question 5. Question 5, correct answer should be B. Use use reserved instances for the production EC2 instances. Use on-demand instances for the development and test EC2 instances. Option B will be the correct answer. Since reserved instances provide cost savings for instances that run consistently, such as the production environment in this case, while on-demand instances offer flexibility and are suitable for instances with variable usage patterns such as the development and test environment. This combination ensures cost optimization based on the specific requirements and usage patterns described in the question. Move on, let's look at the offer for the AWS SA-CO3 exam. So, for this SA-CO3 dump, original price $300. If you order now, you can enjoy the live stream special discount offer. There will be only $150, so you can enjoy 50% off. And also, we are offering the buy one get one free bonus, which means that order our SA-CO3 dump now, you can get the related valuable guide for free as extra bonus. So if you're interested, have the journey group now and ping at me to get more details about the dump and this offer. Move on, let's come to the Microsoft certification. Microsoft certification gives a professional advantage by providing globally recognized and industry-endorsed evidence for master skills in the digital and cloud businesses. Microsoft has certification paths for many technical job roles. Each of these certifications consists of passing a series of exams to earn certification. And the hottest certification is Azure and Microsoft 365, 635. The demand for Azure professionals is on the rise. In fact, Azure-related job positions increased by 66% from 2020 to 2025. So, earning your Azure 104 certification can open doors to lucrative career opportunities from cloud architect to security engineer. Your success is a result of Azure's recognition in the industry. And again, let's come to the test quiz part for the Azure 104 exam before we review today's offer. So question 1, your company has an Azure Active Directory Azure AD subscription. You need to deploy 5 virtual machines to your company's virtual network subnet. The VMs will each have both a public and a private IP address. Inbound and outbound security rules for all of these virtual machines must be identical. Which of the following is the least amount of network interfaces needed for this configuration? So 4 options here, please type your answer out when you finish. Oops. When the timer ends, region ends, it's the time to review the answer. Alright, time's up. Let's do the correct answer for question 1. As for the Azure 104 exam, it should be option A. To deploy 5 VMs with both public and private IP addresses, you will need at least 5 network interfaces. Each VM requires a network interface to connect to the virtual network. And since each VM will have both a public and private IP address, you will typically assign 1 network interface per VM. Move on, question 2. Your company has an Azure Active Directory subscription. You need to deploy 5 virtual machines to your company's virtual network subnet. The VM each have both a public and a private IP address. Inbound and outbound security rules for all of these virtual machines must be identical. So which of the following is the least amount of security groups needed for this configuration? 4 options here. Please type your answer out when you finish. Alright, time's up. Let's review the correct answer for question 2. It should be D. The correct answer is D. You can use a single network security group for all 5 VMs since the inbound and outbound security rules go for all of Motion 3. Your Azure section includes Azure virtual machines, VMs that run Windows Server 20. One of the VMs is backed up every day using Azure Backup Instant Restore. When a VM becomes infected with data encrypting ransomware, you are required to restore the VM. Which of the following actions should you take? 4 options here, so please type your answer out when you finish. Alright, time's up. Let's read the answer for question 3. Question 3, correct answer should be C. You should restore the VM to a new Azure VM. And please read the explanation here so you can understand why C is chosen. Move on to question 4. Your administrator a solution in Azure that is currently having performance issues. So you need to find the cause of the performance issues pertaining to macros on Azure infrastructure. Which of the following tool you should use? 4 options. Still, when the vision ends, I will not correct. So please type your answer out when you finish. Alright, time's up. Let's review the answer for question 4. It should be B, Azure Monitor. Yeah, and the explanation here provided. Please read it carefully. Move on. Last question for the Arnold 4 exam. Very long here. I believe you guys to read it yourself, and then please type your answer when you finish. And in this question, you are required to choose 2 answers. First, I'm here to let's process later. So question correct answer should be A and C. A, a Microsoft 635 group that uses the assigned membership type, and C, Microsoft 635 group that uses the dynamic user membership type. So A and C are 1. Now we come to the offer for the Azure practice stats for the Azure DOM. So for the Azure practice stats, the original price is $250. If order now, only need 100. Only need 100. So that is very massive, incredible discounts. You can save $150 if you order now. So if you want to pass the exam, don't miss to save it and to ping admin to get more details. Hurry up if you haven't joined the group yet. And move on, here are some most frequently asked questions by people. So first is, can I pass the exam with the DOM only? The question is, yeah, since DOM is the latest and valid, it covers all the exam questions. So you focus on studying dump is enough to pass exam on first try. Second question: how can I know that my product, the service, the dump is the latest? So we promise you that order dumps, the product that we provided are dated fully, and our practice tabs are the remote server. If there are days for the dump during the process, our service will inform you by email, and server will also warn you when you practice the dump. And as for the dump format, the question 3, the dump format is VCE. It's similar to the real exam format, so you can practice the written on the remote server. Question 4, can I now and start service later? The question is yes. So we are flexible service time, things that you can order now with the big and start service whenever you want. Especially for some Canada in the Middle East, there's the Ramadan, so we also support now and start the service whenever you want. You have already celebrating finished the Ramadan holidays. Move on. Here's our exam done. You can also look at my idea, and I explained to you earlier. Move on. Last thing, I want to introduce to SPOTO about SPOTO to you guys again. I'm sure that some of you don't know about SPOTO. So SPOTO was founded in 2003. We have been providing services for more than 22 years. So this 2025 year embraces our 22nd anniversary. So we have committed to becoming an learning platform worldwide, and it realizes a certification and provide 100% pass exam service and materials for our candidates. And here are some graphics represents that SPOTO learners pass them at the local center. And here are statistics I certainly want to share with you. As of 2024, SPOTO has served in 152 countries and regions. We have launched over 300 programs and had over 550 learners obtain their IT service. And the worthy of showing off thing is that over 2,500 CCIE holders from SPOTO. In other words, 10% of holders in are SPOTO learners. And here's our team picture in the neighborhood of our company. Our team are passionate about what they do as what they do for you and committed to your success. They are the most experienced professionals in the industry, spending decades carefully creating your learning materials with a training journey, with a success journey in mind. Now, many learners pass the exam, and we are so happy to share with you here for us. You can see that they speak high of us, and many of them actually is their friends and to us because SPOTO is worth trusted professional. Alright, that's basically all the content of the live show, but due to this time limit, I cannot detail every service we have. So here is a product list to pass any exam that is not covered today's live stream. And feel free to join the group admin to get more info about the exam. We have exam service we made today in today's live. Alright, so anyone here, if you have questions, you can prefer to in the comment section. Thank you for your time. Thank you for being with me, and all of you sticking until the end. And now, if you think the lecture is helpful and it's motivating, give me a thumbs up. I will appreciate it. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube. We have live stream every week. Give us smash the subscribe button and ensure that it's our next time. And guys, who enjoy the group, how will you join the study group? Yeah, the link is in the comment section. Now start unlock valuable materials. You know about discount offer our stream every week. Alright? Again for your time, and again we are 22-year brand dedicating to helping you pass your certification exam. Thank you, ma'am, and at today's host check. Looking forward to see you guys next time. Everyone.